In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages from a character conversation in Chrome. If you want to clean up a conversation, remove unwanted parts of a chat, or simply keep things more organized, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Chrome on your computer and going to the character conversation where the messages are currently stored. Make sure you're inside the specific chat you want to edit, because the removal options will apply to the conversation that is open on your screen. Taking a quick moment to confirm that you're in the right chat can help you avoid deleting messages from the wrong place. Once the conversation is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find the three dots menu. This is the main options menu for the conversation, and it contains tools related to managing the chat. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Remove Messages or Delete Chat. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the interface you're seeing, but the purpose is the same. This option allows you to begin removing content from the conversation. Click that option to continue. At this point, you'll be asked to select the messages you want to delete. Carefully choose the specific messages you no longer want in the conversation. If you only want to remove part of the chat, take your time and double check your selections before moving on. This is especially helpful if the conversation is long or contains several similar messages. After selecting the messages, confirm the removal when prompted. Once you do that, the chosen messages will be deleted from the conversation. If the platform gives you a confirmation window, read it briefly before clicking just to make sure you're removing exactly what you intended. And that's it. You open the conversation in Chrome, access the three dots menu, choose Remove Messages or Delete Chat, select the messages you want to remove, and confirm the deletion. If you're following along while doing it yourself, pause as needed between each part so you can complete the process without rushing. With just a few clicks, you can quickly tidy up your conversation and keep only the messages you want to keep.